Once again, it's great honor to be here. I am Ankit Nagda.
I am Chaitanya Lohar.
We are back with some national and international news. So our today's top headlines are:
UK PM Boris Johnson receives his first dose of AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine.
to strengthen Indo-Pacific ties, US Defense Secretary Austin calls on PM Modi.
India logged nearly 40,000 cases on Friday, highest daily rise since November 29.
Man jumps into lion enclosure at Alipore Zoo in Kolkata, rescued.
Will vehicles not having a FASTag be perceived illegal, not allowed to travel? Bombay High Court asks Centre.
Central Forensic Science Laboratory Pune team in Mumbai to help NIA in Mukesh Ambani bomb scare case.
WhatsApp privacy policy violates IT rules, inhibit its implementation, Centre tells SE.
Police in Kerala register FIR against ED officer in gold case.
How a farmer's son in a Gujarat became a runaway and nabbed in a London.
Part of Shatabdi Express catches fire at Ghaziabad railway station.
Thank you very much for watching this video.
If you like our endeavors, so appreciate us by mentioning comments and sharing this video more and more.